Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the icon called Lock Screen. And to lock the touchscreen, tap on this icon, you will see the lock icon, and that means that the screen lock, or rather lock screen, touchscreen is locked, my bad. Basically, you can't use it. This option is quite useful if you, for example, want to take a shower with your watch on or swim with your watch on, because it will prevent any mistouches on the screen. Okay, and to unlock the screen, press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the unlocked lock icon, and that means that the lock screen or screen lock is disabled. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.